Well, I'm not exactly sure how I feel about this piece. Like most of the things I do, it was an experiment using reclaimed wood. This is oak. It was upcycled from a cabinet one of my neighbors threw out. This wood has very prominent reflex in it. I wasn't sure how the stain would turn out, but again, I was just trying it to see what happened, and I think it actually improved it because the reflex resisted the stain, so they're actually lighter. Gives a pretty cool tiger, sort of a tiger stripe effect. So I didn't put any other finish on it. It's actually not sanded to a very high grit either. I wasn't trying to hide the fact that it's reclaimed wood, so there's obviously, holes. I wasn't exactly sure what direction I was going in when I was doing this. I initially turned 2 rings and decided that I had enough wood to try 4 rings. Off camera I was trying to rearrange them, thinking about what ways I could put them together. This is what I came up with, so this is it. So if you've made it this far, thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully you'll stick around for more interesting projects in Candy's Garage.